Hello, guys. It's the Firebird. We're playing Left 4 Dead. Dead in the water. And we're playing Left 4 Dead, and we're going to kill something. We're going to kill the clown. Clowns. We're killing clowns today. We're killing clowns today. No one likes them clowns. That's why we're going to kill the clowns.
Don't sweat it, Ellis. At least you got us out of that mall.
Yay. Oh wow, yeah, that's nice.
Hey, look at this here.
Wow. He has no hope. Santa Claus. Ow! Get to the chopper. Go. Hurry. Oh my gosh. Why? Well, hello, sir. What would you like to order? Death. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay, bye. Okay, I'm gonna just... Do you wanna die? Okay, they wanna die. They're dead. And they're not going to follow us. They're gonna follow the oldest trick in the book. Yeah, you gotta be dead. No one loves you. You're gonna die alone. You're dying. So it feels like I'm not alone. I will throw this can to the end. Okay.
There's a bomb on right there.
I
feel
like we're missing someone. Wow. You're getting killed by zombies, Mr. Sir. Get up, don't make me die. Because of your fat butts. Okay, come on, let's go. We're gonna win. Oh, pills. I want to die. I hope you guys can help me. It was a lie. It was all a lie. Dora Explorer is a lie. Ah! Okay. No one likes her anymore. Only babies do. Not even babies. No one even knows her. Not anymore. Only adults. Only teenagers. Only people know. Hello, folks. I want to die, Nick. Okay, come on, so let's just kill you. Let's get up here. Okay. Okay, let's okay. You know what? Screw this. I want some adventure. Ah! Oh crap! Never mind. I don't want. No. Help me, please. Help me, Lord. Help me. I'm dying. Or get to the chopper. Go, hurry. Get to the chopper. I'm dead. You guys are failures. I don't know. You guys are failures. Bye, life. Bye. Bye. Oh, okay. Okay. Get out of the way. Oh crap! Oh my gosh, I am dying. I am bad. Oh no! Wow.
I hate to be the bearer of bad news, guys, but unless Ellis knows how to build a monster truck, we ain't driving.
You guys get to call me the loser for a week. I didn't have a week, a day. You guys can come down below.
See, that would get uncalled for. Seriously.
Okay. Oh yeah, if you guys want me, you could make me do some challenges on here too. Okay. Like don't like kill a zombie with complete like the parish with a pistol. Complete the parish with like I don't know. You could do whatever challenges. You can make me do challenges. No, some of them. Ah! Oh, death. Okay. You guys don't deserve to live. You are going to die. There's no room. I can't find the remote. But where is everyone? Oh my gosh. Shut the. Why is the burning cool? Keep back my pistol on it. Peace. I got a guitar. I'm not afraid to play it.
Grabbing a shot.
I don't give a crap.
We should head towards the searchlight.
I don't know why I got a guitar. You guys get to call me a losers for a day. Oh my gosh. Oh, Fred! Fred, I can't see. I'm blind. You dumb boomer. Why? Your puke is all over my eyes. It hurts. Oh, it's good. That's better. Where's... Oh! Why me? Is he always coming after people? No! Help! Oh, thanks. Thanks for giving me a lift. Yeah, I better be dead. Yeah, let me just get a boost. Get out. What did you do? You're around. It's easy, okay? It's easy. I don't want to die. Okay, bye, Nick. Huh? Okay, no. Don't stop me, my heroic powers. Okay.
Everybody, back down the stairs.
Yay. Owie.
Hey, watch your footing. This gully looks steep.
We are the champions.
Got to take this shortcut.
Wait.
Whoa, hey. Whoa.
No. Oh no. Okay. So it's fair that you guys get to call me a loser. Yeah, get to the chopper. Okay. Come on, get off me. Oh crap. Okay. What's going on? Google, computer, someone, poo pants. Houdini. Someone oh, whatever. Down to the sickness. Down with the sick. Oh, why are you scratching me? Don't scratch my balls. I said scratching my balls. It hurts, woman. Hurts. Oh, come on. Oh, no. I'm dying. I'm not dying today. No, no. Boost up. Okay. Oh my gosh. I made it. I made it. The loser made it. Yay! Okay, I'm safe. I'm safe. No, you're not allowed.
That's how it's done, right?
What? How did Nick teleport in there? I guess not. Did you guys see Nick just teleport? Teleportation. Oh wow. I was thinking. Oh my gosh. How did Nick get more? I freaking throw something at him. I throw something at him. Ah! It's like get to the chopper. Go, hurry. What's going on? I see a key in my head. I see death. I see a doggy dog. Say hi, Mitzi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. You're so adorable, Mitzi. You're a cute miniature pinscher. You guys want to know what my miniature pinscher looks like? It looks like she doesn't have she has a little tiny tail. She's black. Her whole body's black, but not her mouth. Even that new shape, they ain't no good. Bitch like showing the business though. Okay. Die. 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 La la la. Eat your brains. I'm gonna eat your brains. Get off me! What clown? I hate clowns. I don't want clowns. No clowns in this game. I hope there's no clowns. Please tell me there's no clowns. There is clowns. I'm winning the game. I'm winning the game. Oh my gosh, I'm a beast at this game. Beast. Yeah, beast. Okay, I'm gonna be close. I hear a clown. No! Okay, good. I must search the tongue. Meow. Where am I going? Oh no. Where's my case? I wanna die. Help me! Help! Oh, I'm dead. Say, oh no man. Help me! I'm down! Help! Down man! Help me! Ah! Okay. Thanks, Pooch. Yeah, heal my butt. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna reload. Okay. Let's go. Move side to side. Okay. Let me just get this. Let me shoot that one. Okay, I shot it. Now we're gonna go home, go bed. Thank you.
I got a pipe bomb.
Yes. Okay. Now open this. Can I use the bathroom so bad? Who's in there? How are you? No! Dang it! Oh crap. So hard. This is so hard right now. I thought I was a beast at games, but I'm not. No! If you guys checked out that one video where I made like a lot of pictures, I actually made those, and I looked it up on Google. Yeah, I looked it up on Google. I didn't copy it. Yeah, I did, but I didn't put my tablet under my piece of paper.
Weapons.
So I did it. Yeah, fire's coming. Yeah. Yeah, they're dead. They're dead. Dead people. Dead people. Okay. Go summon. I'm crazy. Hello. Watchdogs. You know, I want to just play some Uno. I want to play Uno. I don't. I'm going to play. I'm going to do the internet. I'm going to do a book. Okay, let's go. Let's go, B. Let's go, B. Go, B. Go. Stay away from my buttocks. No one's allowed to have them. No, they're not yours, they're mine. Stay away from my buttocks. No, they're my butts. It's my butt. They're trying to kill me. They're trying to take off my butt. They're trying to eat my brains. I don't even have brains. Moo! Num 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 moo! Num 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 num. What? What the heck? Who shot her? What just happened? Okay, let's go. I don't know what just happened. It's weird. Let's sneakily turn this on. It's like a town of witches here. It's not witch season. Die, potatoes. No potatoes are allowed on this street. Oh crap! No! Yes, get her. Go! I'm scared of clowns. Don't look at it. It's so scary. Oh, they're dead. It's dead. Oh, freaking clowns. Especially when they're zombies. Hate clowns. No one likes clowns these days. Clowns are scary. Scary little clouds. I'm gonna go home, bed. I'm gonna die. Okay. Oh no! Don't look at her. Oh, what? Oh, it's scary. What just happened? On the PC, you could play as the witch. It's so bored. Never mind, I'm not bored. Oh, why you guys keep saying I'm bored? I'm never bored, man. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Daniel's son. Yeah, she's good for once, Daniel's son. No, you're not taking this help back. He's mine. You guys are fools. You guys are actually betraying each other. Serum and monkeys. Ha! They're the one being crazy. What? I'm not crazy. I'm the best one in the world. Clowns! I hate clowns. No one likes clowns. I want my favorite toy of them all, a green parrot. I like Batman. Batman's good. Good. No. What? Why did she go after him? What? What's going on these days? I don't want to die. That's good thing. No. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, wait, what? Walk smooth. Okay, what? He's trying it. Okay, okay, I'm gonna breaking in. Here's Johnny. Okay, who's there? This place is scary. I hate tunnels on love. I hate the tunnels on love. The mysteries of love. I don't know. I don't want to know about the mysteries of love. Okay, bye. I can't see crap. Oh my god, clowns. Why is there clowns everywhere? I wish there's no clowns. It's clown season. We have to kill all the clowns, people. Okay. Okay. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis. 1. Who's there? You guys can't get me. You can't get me. You can't get me. You can't. Yeah, you guys can't get us. You can't get us. Yeah, my friends are. They're clowns. Okay, I hate clown season. I hate clowns. I hate clowns. Why do people kill ducks? That's my biggest question. No! I can't see. Hello. Ow! My neck. Oh, smoker sucks.
Hey, guns here.
No, still guns. Where? What's here? Yay. I am a master disguise. Hello?
Oh man, that's the Screaming Oak.
I want to ride the Screaming Oak. Can I do it? Oh, clown! What? I beeped its nose! Okay. I hate clowns. I want to kill. Why are clowns? What's that? Hey, you can't get us. When more people join in, the song will be better. When more people join in, the song will be better. Let's go before we all die. 1, 2, 3. I'm so fast. I'm really fast. No one gonna give me that. No one gonna give me tonight. Wish I can just jump over here and cheat. Get. No. Let's beat the game. Yes, I'm so awesome at this. Okay, now here comes the Screaming Oak. Ah! Howie. Okay, let's go. Move side to side, let's go, move side to side, okay. Let's go. Let's kill this happy couple. Oh, clown, kill it! Kill a clown! No one knows clowns! Okay. Clowns, scary clowns. Come on, Mama! Daddy, Mama. Uno! I just want to play some Uno! Okay, I don't give a crap. I need to win. I need to go home. Haha. Ha! I am so lucky. I'm the luckiest person on earth. Okay. She's dead. Okay. She's going. Okay. Get in my belly. They're gonna die. They're gonna die. They're gonna die. I'm so bored. Death. Dead end. I don't want to do this anymore. I don't want to do this. No, get a hold on yourself. You have to do this. Oh crap! No! Like I said, I had to get a hold of myself. I'm an idiot. I have to do this from fans. Oh my gosh! I can crawl. I can do this. Breakdancing. Yeah, breakdance. I'm an idiot. I'm going to keep my shotgun. We were just on the roller coaster. Kick. Okay. Kick. Ah, yes, I can do kicks. Nothing, Daddy. I want to say how you're good at stuff, Daddy. Oh, really, son? Well, I'm good at a lot of things. I'm good at math. I'm good at playing video games. I'm good at being a YouTuber. What, Daddy? Speak to your mother. Say the right thing. Say the right thing. Why, Daddy? Jeffy, grounded. Why, Daddy? Why am I grounded? Huh? Ooh. Okay, no one gives a crap about Jeffy anymore. He's so last year. It's a toy. Who gives a crap about these toys? You know, I just want to kill some people. No. Yeah, okay. You guys are gonna die. Yeah, don't wait. Yeah. Pussy caca. Continue. Yeah, come. Yeah, you better die. Yeah, okay. Come on! Come on! Okay, this is gonna take a while. So, sorry, I was so bored. Well, time to go. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. What would you like to order? Chicken nuggets with a shot of plate. Speak to the mutter, the padre, the who do you need? No one gets crap. Clown! Kill the clown! I hate clowns. Why is it clown season? No one likes these clowns. That's why they can't play. Ah! Okay, got my this, my funny life. Ow! Okay. You know, I want to play some Crash. I want to be Crash. I want to be crashing over. I want to crash people's houses. Or they're going to hate Bugs Bunny. Oh no. What am I supposed to do, Dad? You're supposed to be your dad, son. Oh, yeah. I remember now. Oh, did he? Okay. Hey, yeah, dinosaur over here, don't want to be down, but how are we going to get out of here? Oh, leave that to me! I know everything about everything, and everything about the everything, and everything about everything. I should probably shut up right now because I'm the noisiest person on life. Yeah! Yeah! Okay, what am I supposed to do? This might take a while. Yeah, oh no. What the heck? Yeah, you better be dead. Okay, how do I get up there? This is going to take a while. Finally found how to get through this crap. I didn't even know. Shut up, you lady! No one loves you. Oh crap! Oh Jesus! Oh my gosh! It took forever to get over here. I didn't even know how to do it. Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's go. Ow! Okay. Wee! Yeah. Ah! I should have been clown! I hate clowns. No one loves them clowns. I know you were there. I know you tried to get through. Okay, let's go. E-O.
You gotta open this gate.
Bet I'm black. That's a fact. Come on, Robin. Watch my back. Okay. I already paid the job. I don't have anything. Yeah, they got me good. Yeah. Okay, I'll hang on. Thank you.
Yeah. I'm opening it.
Yeah, open it. Oh my gosh, the Black Friday sale sucks. I hate it. I hate it all. This is taking forever. Jesus. Welcome to your doom. Okay, no one is allowed up here. That is a strict rule. Get down now, come on, get down. No one's allowed. Finally. Come on, get to the chapel. No autographs. No autographs. No autographs. No pictures, no autographs, no nothing. Come on. I'm gonna get you. Get out. Yeah, bye. No. Come on, man. Okay. Sing along, say. 20. $20. Your wife's in the club. Give me $20. Give me $20. Your wife in the club. Yeah, I can sing. All I care is about you. Okay. Everyone. Yeah, I'm gonna heal you all. I don't care. Everyone get one. Okay, let's go. Move side to side. Okay, let's go. No autographs. No autographs. Okay. I know I'm too famous now. Oh, come on. I got two. Okay. I already got 2 subscribers. I think about you every morning. Come on. I think it's the worst part of the game. It's an hour. Death toilet too.
Turn on the light.
Turn on the lights. What? No one likes zombies these days. No, get out of my house. Get out of my house. Get out of my house. I think about you every morning. Ooh.
Turn on the light.
Do I have to? Oh, fine. Okay. Yeah.
I gotta eat.
Oh
yeah. Hey, we might need these.
And we're gonna need these, we're gonna need these, we're gonna need that, we're gonna need this, we're gonna need that. This, and that. Come on. Let's just go. Let's just go. Ah! Ah! Oh crap. Coach needs help. I don't give a crap. Okay. Oh no! I'm so bored. I don't think they know I'm here. Oh, yeah, they do. A jockey, eh? Oh, crap. Oh, no! Okay, good. I suck! Get out of here! I'm the worst person in this game. I'm so sad. So tired. Oh my god. Get to the shopper. What? Oh no. You don't want my flesh. It's nasty. You want one of their flesh? Yes. Okay. Are we gonna save him? Please save him. Man, so it's almost like an hour. It's been an hour and a half. When I was okay. I'm so smart. I should live like this all day. Well, let's see how they're doing. Not so good. Oh, what's this? A visitor? Oh no! You better stay away. Let me help you. I swear. Did I hear around the phone? Oh crap! I need someone alive! I need some people alive! Crap! Come on, Nick! Oh no! We need people! Oh no! Not him! No! Please! No! I need some help! Oh no. I think I'm gonna have to end it right here. You guys get to call me losers for a day now. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys comment down below. I hope you like. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you guys have a good time. I hope you guys subscribe as well. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.